Hello guys, it's Jim from Geneva. I'm making this video for the third time now because I screwed up twice. So, I'm just making this video to talk about fly mode and build mode. And the first thing I want to say is the flying up with spacebar goes way too fast. Like, I just tapped spacebar and I just flew into the air. I press shift and I go down just a little bit too fast. It's just way too quick. You need to just drop it down so that every time you press spacebar, you move up 2 foot, and the repeat delay on your keyboard defines how fast you'll go up, if that makes sense. Okay, so that's the first one, and the second one is the fact that shift takes you down at all. Like shift is used in building, why would you set shift to be a control for flying? That means you can't build and fly at the same time, and the whole point of having fly mode and build mode is to fly and build. So what I want to say is if I click these here and then I click rotate while holding shift so that you can flip it. So I'm going to hold shift and click it twice so I can flip it and it would be this area. So hold shift, click twice, and as you can see it's flipped but I land through the ground. So every time I do it I've got to move myself back up into position. And sometimes that can be hard, especially if I've got camera collisions on at the time, because then I've got to friggin' go back up and find where I was, and sometimes I go too high, sometimes I go too low, and it's frustrating. So I just think that the controls for fly mode should be changed probably to R and F for rise and fall. They're very close to the WASD key, so they're easy to hit for your movement. And it basically just adds to the movement system of Geneva rather than having two separate keys that, to be honest, aren't fully functional with the current Geneva build mode. So yeah, that's just my thoughts. And last thing before I end this video is please never move the fact that flying runs through walls because that is like the best part of fly mode. Lets you run through stuff really quick, get from A to B without any hazards. Anyway, that's it guys. Thanks for watching.